Everybody loves peanut butter and jelly, but let's make a more macro-friendly twist that tastes even better with PB&J roll-ups. Let's do this thing. Now, like with any macro-friendly cooking, it all comes down to making substitutions. So number one, you gotta take your white bread and switch it over to a lavish bread. Come on, you can do this. I'll get it out of here, I swear to God. Substitution number two, though, is you gotta go from peanut butter to a protein peanut butter, of course with RYSE Skippy. Scoops on top, because RYSE knows how to do it right. The key to making a lower calorie protein peanut butter is you take regular peanut butter and replace it with the protein powder, and then some form of liquid to turn it into a paste. The best one to do that with is any sugar-free maple syrup, because it adds a good level of sweetness to it. Most peanut butter is already sweetened with sugar, so you wanna add a little bit of extra something to it. So the trick is I really don't measure the maple syrup. I put just enough in there to start creating the paste. Just kind of mix it together, and it's gonna start to clump up, and it hasn't pasted yet, so you just kind of continue to add a little bit more in there. Just kind of little splooshes at a time, because you don't want to add too much right off the bat. Otherwise it's gonna become watery. You're trying to create a peanut butter-like consistency, not peanut butter water. That's nasty. And now we've got our little peanut butter ball. Probably one or two more splashes is gonna get us where we need to be. It's gonna wanna start sticking to your fork, so kind of start scraping it off the edges. And just like that, you've got yourself a peanut butter paste. Grab your bread, throw it out, put that bad boy on there, and then just kind of spread it. You don't wanna go all the way to the edges, because when it rolls up, it's gonna squeeze outside the edges of the roll up. So we're just gonna take it and do it within about the first inch of all of the flatbread. Then the best part about macro-friendly cooking is I've already accounted for these macros today. That's mine, and that's delicious. Peanut butter's done. Now the next part is the easy part. Just sugar-free jelly. Take your pick, whether it's red raspberry, strawberry, whatever flavor you want. I like strawberry. I know somebody's gonna comment I'm using the wrong utensil, okay? I am at a makeshift kitchen right now. No one judge me. So then basically just, like you would do with any peanut butter and jelly sandwich, just take it, mix it in with the peanut butter, then have flashbacks to college, take it and just roll it up as much as you possibly can, because unlike Scotty, I did go to college. You're going to see it's going to goop up, so you don't want it to be super tight. You're gonna kind of want to lift it up and roll it over everything. And even then, it's going to want to try to come out on the outside of the edges. Then just to save the table for RYSE, I'm gonna do this on top of the paper, but we're gonna take this, cut this in half so it actually fits inside the air fryer. So before we even hit it in the air fryer, you've already got your PB&J roll. You could have this thing right now, 240 calories, 34 grams of protein, easy, delicious snack to keep you hitting your goals. We're gonna make it a little better though. All we need to do that is an air fryer. All we gotta do now is throw these bad boys in here. And as you can see, they're already making a mess. Throw those in there, cooking spray, light spray on top, light spray on top. Give it an old flip. One more, in a insanely quick 400 degrees for 2 minutes, and we're keeping an eye on it. We don't want it to burn, we just want it a little bit toasty. I wanted to make this recipe predominantly because one of the things I tried to do when I was originally going through my weight loss process was eating healthy, i.e. eating peanut butter and jelly sandwiches all day, not realizing how high calorie they were. I decided to make this once I learned what a calorie and protein was, so I could have the same exact thing, but it be within my goals. So this air fryer doesn't like to cook quite as hot as mine, so we're going for about 5 or 6 minutes. You just want it to be golden brown. You'll see it just 1 second, 1 second. Moment of truth. Do I suck or is it good? Here we go. It's crispy, it's good. Doesn't need to be golden brown. Just like that. Like I said, it's a bit of a messy recipe, but it's an easy, delicious one. A very quick 240 calories, 34 grams of protein. I'm guessing I gotta take a bite for the camera, don't I? Is gonna make a mess, but that's a dessert for breakfast. That one's fantastic. Taste on this one, an 8.5. Mess on this one, 20 out of 10, easy. Easy 20 out of 10 mess. So again, guys, calories on this is 240 with 34 grams of protein. It was easier to put together than it was to actually air fry it. And it just goes to show you can take anything you love in life and make it macro friendly so your diet doesn't have to be chicken and rice. And of course, guys, we're gonna recommend RYSE protein powder when it comes to any of these recipes. But as always, we love you. Leave a comment down below for what we should make next time, and we'll see you guys then.